Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about solution, solvent and solute. Means what is the meaning of these three terms, solution, solvent and solute. We use many solutions in laboratory for doing practical. So what is the meaning of this term solution and the solvent and solute? All of you know when solute and solvent mix together to form solution. So between this, which substance will be called solvent and which substance will be called solute? How we shall identify? Today we shall discuss. Okay, now let us start. Before that, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I shall upload my new video. Okay, now come to the point. Now see what is meant by solution. Homogeneous mixture of two or more substance is known as solution. So first of all you have to know what is meant by homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture is nothing but a mixture is said to be homogeneous if its composition is uniform, or you can say same. Means the composition of the mixture is same, then the mixture will be called homogeneous mixture. Okay. Now see, as I have already told you, when solute and solvent mix together to form solution, means the homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent form solution. So the composition of solute and solvent should be same, then only the mixture of these two, solid and solvent, will be homogeneous mixture and will form solution. Okay. Now see, when the substance will be called solute and when the substance will be called solvent. Before that, now you can see here maybe two solvent present or maybe two solid present. Not only two, maybe 3, 4, 5 solvent present or maybe 3, 4, 5 solid present. Okay, it's depend upon the reaction. Now when the substance will be called solute and when the substance will be called solvent. Okay, now see, the substance present in larger amount is called solvent and the substance present in smaller amount is called solute. Means the substance which is present in larger amount in the solution, that substance will be called solvent, and the substance which is present in less amount, means smaller amount, that substance will be called solute. Okay, now let us take example. Now see, 10 gram of glucose, the chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6, dissolved in 90 gram of water to give 100 gram of solution. Means 10 gram of glucose plus 90 gram of water gives 100 gram of solution. So obviously these two are solid and solvent. So now we have to identify which one is solid and which one is solvent. Okay, so now see, what was our definition? The substance present in larger amount is called solvent. So here which one is present in larger amount? Obviously this one, 90 gram of water, is present in larger amount because it is only 10 gram. 10 gram of glucose. So this is present in larger amount, means 90 gram of water. So this is solvent. Okay, and it is present in smaller amount, 10 gram of glucose, so it is solid. Okay, so here in this case 10 gram of glucose is solid because it is present in smaller amount than that of 90 gram of water. So 90 gram of water in this case is solvent, and these two mix together to form 100 gram of solution. Okay, I think solution, solvent and solid is clear. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.